Just 40 points away from the highs that we made previous Monday, which was the 17th. That was 17,863, and we leave off at about 17,820. This is, kind of similar to the price action we've seen over the last couple of days. Second half, all of the action picks up, the market comes alive, and gains are there on the table. Although, unlike yesterday, the gains held and the market did not give it back in the last 10 minutes or so of trade. Bank Nifty will come up on your screen as well, 0.4%. So again, banks also pretty much the index ending almost at the high point of the day. And I think you got the market breadth, which looked good. 1,270 stocks higher and about 970 stocks, which was lower. That was waxing and waning all day through. It almost became 1:1 at one point of the day, and then put some distance between advances and declines towards the end. Lots of names in the broader market, because that is really where bulk of the action was. Starting, of course, with all of those names, starting with the word Gujarat, which did very, very well. Rima.
Well, let me just run through some of the frontliners, and then we'll get to the Gujarat-based companies. Power Grid was your top Nifty gainer, 2.5% up move. FMCG names led by Tata Consumer, Nestle, HUL as well saw buying in the last 10 minutes. All these stocks ending strong. L&T up nearly 1.5%. IndusInd Bank sees buying. In the IT pack, HCL Tech, TCS close up quite smartly. On the losing side, commodity names. So Hindalco was the top index loser with a cut of 1.5%. JSW Steel down. Bajaj Auto hit a fresh 52-week high yesterday. So despite decent numbers, a resilient performance, the stock came in for some profit booking. Bajaj Finserv subdued in trade, and Reliance Industries was the drag in trade.
And how can you forget IPCA? Again, 5.5% down today after a huge rubbing yesterday. The disappointment in their acquisition continues. In terms of other reactions on the way down, Poonawalla FinCorp stands out. Numbers look quite okay, actually. Margins higher, assets sort of growing very well. But even then, stocks ending down 2.5%. Some of the railway stocks decided to take off a little bit of steam, but very little, might I add. So Titagarh, Wagons, IRFC, these stocks are down between 2 to 3%, nothing more than that. But again, a day that really belonged to the gainers. You've got Lemon Tree Hotels, for instance, a delivery, a lot of these stocks on the upside. And of course, then the whole Gujarat rally. So as we are winding up, let's sort of get some of those rates on the screen. Final tally for a GSFC 20%, GMDC 20%, Gujarat Alkali 16%, GNFC 11%, GSPL running out of breath here. But that was really the day belonging to the Gujarat PSUs because of the change in policy. By the way, the Bank Nifty is actually ending on a very strong wicket, about 0.5% gain on the Bank Nifty, looking better than the Nifty, but even the Nifty inching its way towards the previous high of 17,863.
Well, there goes, the bell has gone and the Nifty has ended at levels of 17,818. We didn't quite get to the April series high levels of 17,863, but at least today we managed to conquer 17,800. Another day where the markets nudged higher. It's a wrap.